And I if you maybe see business. Then maybe see business Apple. Then let China earphone. Now same brother. Hey, what's up? What's going on? What you got? What's that? AirPod.
Yeah.
Is this from Apple?
Yeah, open everything, check in.
Is this from Apple or copied?
Yes, Apple real, brother. Open.
Do you hear English? Do you hear English?
What English?
Do you understand English?
Yes.
Is this from Apple? Is this originally Apple?
Original.
Okay, how much is it?
80.
This is not from Apple. You better be careful before you go to jail. Look at this motherfucker selling copied Chinese AirPod. AirPod of over $250 in Apple. He's gonna tell me it's $80. How does that shit work? He don't know he's talking to a cybernetic expert and Apple genius. You know, that's how people go to jail. I mean, why would Apple allow people to be pirating their products more so in America? A company that is valued at over $4 trillion cannot build a disciplined team to curb piracy. That's how people who are not informed will go about buying fake corporate Apple products that will cause cancer and others. How are you? What are you selling?
I've got cookies.
That's beautiful. Go to YouTube, look me up. I do wellness and education. Maybe when I'm back, I can't talk to you. Go to your YouTube. I'm going to show you my link. I do wellness and education.
I don't know where my phone is right now. Can I write it down?
Yeah.
Okay, what is it?
Only 2 times.
Only 2 times.
You say when I write it, then are you looking at me?
No, it's just only 2 times.
Only 2 times USA DV.
Okay. Only 2 times DV.
Only 2 times USA DV lottery winner.
Okay. Copy that. Only 2
Okay, give me your card. I will post it on my social media. Take care. How can you be a business lady? You say you don't know where your phone is. And our people are jokers, so people are not serious. This is Lemart Park. Lemart Park is on 48 and Quencher. Few blocks after Slauson and Quencher. It's less than 5 minutes from TMC. And I look at African structural art that you guys are paying pastors billions of dollars to come and destroy. But Americans are buying them, bringing them up here. Later you say you lost touch, you lost culture with the gift and trajectories that your parents and grandfathers have given you. You don't know the Westerners facilitated slavery by introducing modern religion. You know? I will send you goods. I will tell you what to do. I will tell you to call me. I will have you call me. How you guys doing? God bless you. I will have you call me. You don't want to call me? You go about sleeping at the church, praying, fasting, when you have about 8 siblings in America who are real-time, done, versatile, sophisticated, educated, and motherfucking Nigerian scamming pastors be deceiving you, finessing you, siphoning the little money you have to take care of you and take care of your kids. And I'll tell all the whole pastors that are defrauding you in Nigeria, promising you unrealistic miracles. Tell them to give me a winning number so I can win American lottery and give them $1 million. Because the problem with Africa is the overly religion. You understand? But that's on you, bro. You know I love you and I can only do so much. Once I marry next year, I focus on myself, bro. You know what time it is. Nobody's gonna keep on pampering another forever. After I'm the last born, now you supposed to pamper me. But you want me them to pamper you. If you love African culture, Lema Park is the place to be, especially on Sundays, you know. Between 5 and 6, the musical bands will camp out here. Most of them are Nigerians, more so from Enugu. They'll be blasting music, smoking ganja, making merry. You know, so that's it. I'm done for the day. I got very important political meeting with Elon Musk, Donald Trump, Steve Gates, and Jay-Z. I don't have time to keep on preaching to you guys to wake up. I'm not a content creator. I'm not asking anybody to follow me. But if anybody asks me for money, I will use DSS, FBI, CIA, and EFCC and lock him up. I'm not an NGO.